Hello, welcome to my channel Master DAX. So I'll be starting with the third function, that is date. Okay, let's go to Power BI. So date function, what date function does is it will just create, let's say you have a day, month and year in a separate column. So when you want to join this all these three columns and create a new date, so then you can use a date and time function. Okay, so let's start by giving you a very simple example. Okay, so I will use manual option to create first a table. So I'll just quickly type in year here and month. I will create a month column and day. Okay, so I'll just type in 2019 2020 and this is 2021, and I'll just type in month and type in day. Okay, so I'll give a name day table. Okay, so this option will create a table. Okay, I can see on the right it has created a table with these three columns. So now I want to merge these three columns using, and I want to create a date. Okay, so first I will just drag this year to a canvas. Okay, and I will just drag the month and I will drag the day. Okay, so this is Power BI has done the summarization, so I have to first change. Okay, so I'm not getting the option here, so I will change it to first table, and now I will change the option to don't summarize for year, month and day. Okay, so I have the data now in the right format, and I will just increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size to maybe 15 or 16 as per your requirement. Okay, so let's increase the size to 20 so it's visible. Okay, so now I want to create a date using the date function. Okay, so I'll you create a date using, I go to data modeling and create a new column. Okay, so I'll just give a name to this column, date column. Okay, and I use a function date, and for the year I will just supply the table name and the column name by using, so I get a suggestion, so I have to select date table, the name of the table and the year column first, and then put a comma, and month would be again the table name and the month, and day would be the table name and the day column name. So I'll just close the bracket and press enter, so that formula is applied. Okay, so now I can see the column has been created. So I'll just quickly drag the column to the canvas to see the actual dates. So this is again, we have to override the default behavior of creating a hierarchy when we drag the date. So I'll just quickly remove the year hierarchy, quarter and the month, and change the hierarchy to date. So I see I have all the dates available. To remove the time format, I will just select this date and change the data type to date and the format to date only. Okay, so now I have the dates available which are being converted from year, month and day. So I have the date available. Okay, so that was the function date and its practical implementation. Okay, thank you so much.